long life. Today I'm going to make my students speak. The peculiarity is today they are going to speak with no preparation. Would you like to answer my questions?
Sure, sir.
Is there a volunteer to answer first?
Yes, I would like to first.
Well, we'll start our chat making a simple introduction about yourself.
Yeah, sir, about me. And first of all, I'm Niket, and now I'm 15 years old, and I'm in grade 10. And my school is Marfal Central College, Naramal. And so I think that's also.
Dinsaru?
Yes, my name is Dinisu Divyanjana and I am 15 years old and I am in grade 10. I live in Kalugama. My school is Naramal Mayurapad Central College.
Alochana?
Yes, I am Lochana. I live in Alawa. I am 15 years old. I am in grade 10 and my school is Mayurapad Central College.
Kushani?
My name is Heshani. I'm 12 years old. I'm in grade 7. I live in Matiyagane and my school is Gurunagala Shoda College.
Yes, here I am badly in need of emphasizing these things. We know by experience in a country like ours, children are just trained how to possess AB passes at the O levels and A levels. But the peculiarity prevailing in my classes, my students are given the opportunity, they are given a fantastic opportunity so that they may speak English far better. How do you see that support given by me to come this way?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have to say this. The main thing is after participated in this class, we were able to exclude our shame and fear. That's the main thing. And if we were able to exclude our shame and fear, and we can go to anywhere. And that's my personal idea, sir. Because I have so many experience about it. And
Well, Devisaru, extremely sorry for disturbing.
yeah.
Devisaru, you know, by experience, you are given a great opportunity so that you may write script for dramas and enact them in front of other students.
Yes.
Right? Then you've been able to avoid both shame and fear on account of that opportunity.
Yes, sir.
How do you see that?
Yes, sir. Actually, sometimes I am speaking with my friends. They are very shy and they can't speak in English, but they can write term test papers and they can get high marks, but they can't speak and English because they are very shy about English. First thing is first we learn to English. We must destroy our shy and we love language English. So in addition to another language, first I can remember good proverb: the road of 1,000 miles begin with one step. But the proverb idea many people don't know, and they don't try because they think they can do it, and they think they have many faults. They think themselves very negative. But we must positive and love our language, English or Tamil or any language, and we should love and learn.
Yes, well, Lochana, my next question goes to you.
Yeah.
And you may have friends in school who are the same age, but they may hardly speak in English. Right? How do you see the difference between you and them?
Yes, sir. As our friend Dinsu said, they can they actually
Right.
they can write. They have writing ability, but I think that's the fault of our in educational system. In our educational system, they don't given any chance to speak. They can chance to only write in the paper.
Focus
No.
on the paper.
Yes, focus only writing things, and because of our sirs, we were able to chat with foreigners and also do dramas, and because of that we improved our English knowledge and all. And also like that we were able to increase our knowledge.
Yes, okay. My next question goes to you, Heshani. Now you are in a person to teach your friends as well. Like, how does it support you to possess a sound knowledge of English?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm in this situation because of my English sir. Because my English sir gave me a good help to come in this situation. Actually, with use my English knowledge, actually my school friends can't speak in English, and they try to speak, but they don't know how to speak in English in these days because they can't go schools and they can't go tuition classes, and teachers also don't know how to speak correctly, and grammar mistakes they don't know where we can see our grammar mistakes likewise. And then actually we want to know how to speak in English in these days. Actually I'm very afraid for English in the old days, but I'm not afraid in these days to speak in English and teach my friends.
Well, you all are doing oral English literature.
Yes.
Yes, we know by experience, even some English teachers, scare their children not to follow, not to do
Yes, sir.
English literature, right? And how do you see that, and what happened to you, whether you were asked not to do?
Yes, the first time I can remember our own English teacher in our class. She asked us to not to do English literature because there are so many poems and there are 20 poems we have to we have to read it by heart, and we have to remember it by heart. Actually our teacher make us fear.
She scared you.
Yeah, she scared us. But
Then the strength I gave you
yes, sir.
push you.
Yeah, actually that's the main thing I have to tell it. The strength given by you, sir. Actually we were and we were, I mean yes,
But we know what we can do.
yeah,
What we can
we know that what we can do. Actually we know
I
that we
firmly
can do.
believe you will possess papers for English literature as well. Yes, anyway, I am happy about myself because I gave you that courage to come this way. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for speaking like this. I am badly in need of emphasizing this once and again. That is, if the children, not that I say my children do not do mistake or they never do grammatical mistakes, and we all may have grammatical mistakes, but they are in a position to speak English better, and they have been given that courage so that they may speak English well, and they can cover long distance thereafter. Anyway, I wish to suggest this: if the children, even in schools, the opportunity so that they may speak in English, they will come a long way. Then they can speak English. But the thing is, the shortcoming prevailing in our country, in accordance with the educational method in our country, children are hardly given the opportunity to speak in English, even in schools, in both schools and classes. Even though classes, English classes, especially spoken English classes, are mushrooming in every nook and corner in the country. So I just suggest to give them the opportunity to speak in English, allocating sometimes a couple of days per week. Then they will cover a long distance in the language of English. That's what I suggest. It's up to you to decide whether you can be satisfied with what we are doing, and so that you may decide something. Low life.
Life.